In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to check whether Sam's Club website is down or not and solutions for it. First, refresh or reload the page. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Click on this icon for several times. Now check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between networks. Likewise, check the server status of Sam's Club. For that, launch your preferred browser, head over to the website down detector, search for Sam's Club. Now if you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be restored from their end. Next, you can clear browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to site settings, click on view permission. Now here search for Sam's Club. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Likewise, disable browser extension. If you have enabled ad blocker, privacy tools or script blockers, you will need to completely delete it or disable it. Next, check for browser updates. So navigate to this option about Chrome. If you found out any updates, just update it. Next up, try a different browser or device. You can switch to Safari, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and try to access Sam's Club website. And lastly, give a first restart to your device. And that's it. With these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.